CoastLife, if you are a plant lover and you haven't been to Bella Terra Garden Center and Landscaping in Ellendale, you need to check it out because whether it's a vegetable garden that you're looking to start, house plants, indoor plants, outdoor plants, exotic plants, they have all your plant related and landscaping needs. So today on CoastLife, that is what we are diving into. We know Mother's Day is just a couple of days away, and if you want to treat her to something beautiful and special, you want to take a trip to Bella Terra Garden Center and Landscaping in Ellendale. I am with Mike Schimmel. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for coming by, Leah.
Of course. I love coming to Bella Terra. I always have to leave my purse in the car because otherwise I fall in love with everything that I see because there's a lot to fall in love with. So I know Mother's Day, flowers tend to be a very popular gift, but might as well just bring Mom to the flowers rather than trying to pick one out for her, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. We always have plenty to choose from. You know, we have a saying, there's always something in bloom at Bella Terra.
Yes.
You know, this year we're trying to focus a lot of attention on the natives.
Yes.
U.S. natives, as well as trying to really hone in on some of the mid-Atlantic natives as well.
Yeah, that makes sense. Why, for maybe viewers who don't know, is that so important to have a focus on this year?
It's a shift back to bringing pollinators into your own landscaping,
yes,
as well as in the neighborhood. It's promoting not only the pollinators, but you're also promoting caterpillars and butterflies. All kinds of different insects.
Yes.
So, you know, that native population is necessary, you know, just for the whole climate, just for the whole ecosystem.
Absolutely.
So we are the stewards of,
yes,
of the earth at this point,
yeah,
and landscapers play a huge role in that. So we want to help promote that.
You see why I like coming here so much. I know you guys also have plenty of greenhouses that are full of houseplants, tropicals. I mean, you guys have so much to choose from.
We do, we do. You know, anything from the super exotic, rare houseplant that, you know, you've always dreamt of, and now is the time to go ahead and grab it, all the way to, you know, tropicals. You know, most of them are brought up from Florida.
Yep.
We have, you know, our trees. Some are in bloom, some are past bloom, depending on what you're looking for, redbuds, dogwoods, as well as obviously your typical fall appeal into your maples and your oaks. Yep. But yeah, there's over 20 greenhouses. There's a rather large showcase, which we're actually sitting in right now.
Yes.
We call this the showcase area. It's what you see when you first pull in here. It really kind of helps highlight a lot of the things that are in bloom or getting ready to start blooming.
I would say so. It's beautiful when you first walk up and you're kind of welcomed into the space that is Bella Terra Garden Center. But you guys started, your roots lie with landscaping.
Correct.
And maybe Mom isn't looking for houseplants. Maybe she's looking to get that dream backyard and all that landscaping done. So how can you help folks that are maybe looking to get that set up?
Sure, sure. We have a full service landscape company. We have in-house designers. Both of them are University of Delaware graduates.
Nice.
So I would like to say that they're as local as they come. And you know, we focus highly on the full service piece of taking care of your landscape, so that you really can just enjoy it instead of having to get out there and do it. Mind you, we still have a lot of clients that want to, you know, play in the dirt themselves, but not do all the heavy lifting. So, you know, there's some unique areas we can, you know, create vegetable gardens or annual planting beds or pots that they want to maintain themselves, and then we handle all the rest of the heavier stuff.
There you go. Now, when you say full service, why is that also important for customers that are dealing with a full service part of this job?
Sure. Full service, basically when somebody calls in and they go, well, I just want you to come and mow my property. We like to have the ability to help you enhance your property and maintain it at the fullest level, so that you're proud of it.
That's great.
We like to have our vehicles parked in front of beautiful homes as well. And there's a sense of pride that our team has when they're out there performing these services and working for these clients. So I think that full service aspect of things really encompasses your lighting, your irrigation, taking care of your plant material, maintaining your turf, you know, your spring cleanup, your fall cleanup, and everything in between.
That's right. So there you go. Whether you have landscaping needs or you're looking for houseplants, florals, you can find them at Bella Terra Garden Center and Landscaping. For those who do check it out, you guys also have a bit of a rewards program. Is that true? That I may or may not be a part of. I get those emails.
We do, Leah. We have a program that pays our clients back and our customers back for shopping with us. We appreciate them. We know that they have choices out there.
Yeah.
We are happy, welcome them here. You sign up. Simple, easy sign-up process, email address, name, phone number. Maybe you want to give a little more detail, your birthday, so we can celebrate it with you.
Yeah.
And then what we do is we give you 10% back on all the plants that you purchase throughout the year, and it continues to roll over and compound, so you can, search for that beautiful, rare species plant that you've been looking for, and there's a good chance that it's going to be super discounted based on what you purchase. Yeah.
Well, Mike, thank you so much for having us and tell us all about Bella Terra. I think it's a wonderful spot. If you bring mom for Mother's Day, she's definitely going to walk away with at least something that she falls in love with, and who knows, maybe you will too. But we've got some more CoastLife that you are going to fall in love with when we get back.